In this video, I will show you how to get verified on your TikTok account. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your TikTok app. Go ahead and click on profile. Go ahead and click on this three slider from the top. Go ahead and click on setting and privacy. Click on account. Click on verification. And here you go. Get verified to build trust and credibility. Get a verification badge, show that your account is authentic and notable. Just like this. Establish audience trust, give people confidence in your account. Go ahead and click on start. Select verification type. The correct verification type incorrect selection may delay or affect your application. So you can either apply for personal account verification or business or institution verification, which is under the category of institutions such as NGO, school, hospital, and political or government entity. These are for institutions. If you have personal account, go ahead and click on personal account right here. If you are for business, go ahead and choose business. I'm going to go ahead and select personal right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on next. Then here you go. Read the requirement for personal account verified identity of account on TikTok. Then go ahead and click on next. Then here you go. The next thing you want to do is to choose content category. Click on category right here. Choose whatever category that describe your account from the options right here. Go to choose order. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on trusted media coverage. The next thing you want to do here is that you need to provide trusted media coverage. Here, article from professional news outlets, have to provide the link. Independent non-sponsored media coverage, you have to provide an article link. Article published after 2010 and clearly dated, you have to provide link. The applicant is the main subject of the article. Okay. And you have to provide the link of that also. So about 4 different links right here. You have to make sure you paste the URL link of those media coverage right here accordingly. The first one here, second, third, and the fourth right here. And then go ahead and add source. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. And go ahead and click on the second link and paste the link. And then move to the third link. You can see the second link is being complete. So move to the third link and paste the link. So go ahead and paste the third link. Then move to the fourth link right here. Then paste the fourth link. Just like so. After you placed all the link, next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on next. Then at this point here, you'll be asked to enter your full name, your birth certificate, your nationality, your country or region of residence, state of or city of residence. Then scroll down right here, and provide government issue ID, which can either be driver's license or international passport or government issue ID. In my own case, I'm going to use passport right here. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you upload the data page of your passport right here. And then once you are done, go ahead and click on here to check that you read and understand the terms of this. Then finally, come down below right here and make sure you hit on submit. And then your application will be submitted for a review. After a completely review the account, TikTok is going to get back to you and your account will be fully verified. And you get a verified badge all for free in your TikTok account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this about TikTok topic, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.